Yeah, be smart. Yeah, if you don't have to have kids, have them when you're ready, but don't just because a man says, "Oh, girl, I love you, let's have kids." Fuck that. Live your life.
But I really hope the virus like clears up, because you know, next year I start freshman year.
Yeah.
And you know, I want to be in person,
Mm-hmm.
because you know you want to make a good impression, whatever.
Right.
Not for the seniors though, because you know that just leads you down a bad path.
Mm-hmm. You definitely will. People gonna be on you. Just be careful. You know. Niggas out here trying to get at you for all the wrong reasons. You'll know who's, about something. You'll know. Right.
No.
And that's most kids. Yeah.
That couldn't be my kids. Oh no.
And that's why I don't have kids. I'm like, no. If I meet the right woman, then yes, it will all change. Whoever you meet and you fall in love with, you can talk big and bad all you want, but then as soon as they want a family, then it's like, come on, you gotta.
Gotta comply.
There you go. Yeah. If you want to keep her, or keep him, yeah. But it's your choice. It's always gonna be a woman's choice. Always. Don't let no nigga tell you, "Oh, I'm making all the money." It's your body, your decision. The males we're just somebody who can give you the egg to make the baby. That's it. That's all it is. But you're the creator of life. You're the carrier of life. We just, I don't know, we're idiots. Yeah, you don't have much, just the corner of the mouth, pretty much.
Oh, my mustache
hormonal hairs. And people are going to have because remember, your father or your mom doesn't have the fissure. So it's probably on your dad's side that gives you more. Because look at your hair. Your hair grows. Like, you grow some hair. So on your face, it's probably going to be the same. Because even right here, all your whole hair, the baby hairs, everything. Like, you have what the girls want in these videos. They're like, man, look at my baby hair. Some girls can't do that at all because they don't have the edges. Their hair doesn't grow like that. So be grateful, like seriously, because
my dad's hair is straight. My hair's not.
See?
Like, yeah, I'm not sure if my hair's like his, because his hair's straight. Mine's just not.
It is. You have good.
I know it's just not straight though.
Oh Lord, because you're not white. Well, his hair isn't straight, is it?
It is.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Might be the Filipino in here.
That's probably yeah.
His grandma's Filipino.
So then you probably have your mom's hair then. Give or take. But her hair grows too. If you look at, she's the only one that can pull away, get away with a short haircut. If you have a bigger head, a pie face, that's not gonna work because your face is bigger than your head. Or if you have like a fat head because you're obese or fat, then yeah, a bald head is not gonna look good on a fat person.
No, you don't look like an egg.
But if you're in shape, you look good. Yeah, you can get away with a short haircut. So you have hair. That's good.
I wish it was all the same texture.
We all wish we had different things. Don't get me wrong, but
yeah, that's just weird thing. Like, I know it's like, but like, I know like a lot of people they like have different, like probably have like 2 different hair textures, but it's like at least they're close. And, like this is like completely different from up here. Like, it's just the curls are just so much looser, and I don't like that. I wish there was just all the same tightness, whatever.
Even for the prettiest of women or men, we all wish we had something that we don't have. Yeah. Even if you were perfect, even if you were an angel.
Because everybody wants something that they don't have.
That's correct. But I mean, it's healthy to think that way. It's not. It starts to get unhealthy when you really start going and getting surgeries, and you know that, like, dude, what are you gonna? Come on, you want to grow 2 inches taller? You're gonna get these metal plates in your kneecaps, or really, you're gonna cut your own ankles off so they can put a bone in there and make you two? That's a lot of surgery. That's work. Like, that's when it becomes an obsession. So it's healthy. Everybody wants more.
Yeah, like
So it's not
some
bad.
people want to have light skin. I want to have darker skin.
There you go. Yeah, some people want to be white, some people want to be black.
I want to be black, so it doesn't
Thank God.
affect
Yeah,
me.
me too. Thank God. Me too. Nothing wrong with being white. It's just
Yeah, like some white people don't even like being white.
exactly. Yeah. The world, I think, as a whole, doesn't mind wanting to be black. It's just they can't tell people that they want to be black because then now somebody probably kill them or take them out. And a lot of people can't even date who they want to date because, yeah, their family would disown them. Their mom and dad would be like, oh my God, you're not a part of the family anymore because you're dating outside your race. And it's fucking crazy.
It's okay. I like black people. It's okay.
You'll probably change one day.
Oh, no.
Don't block your blessing. I'm trying to tell you.
I'm not. I'm just saying.
Okay. You might meet Mr. Right. He might be Jewish. He might be Irish. He could be Russian. He could be, African for crying out. He's still black, but he's straight up African. I mean, okay. But be careful what you wish for. Asian, what if he got billions of dollars? He could take care of all of us. I'm like, whoa. Fly you out to Japan every weekend that you want or whatever. You gonna pass that up?
Depends. I don't know, because I'm talking right now, but when I get into a situation...
Depends. Good answer. No, I'm asking these questions just to see where your head's at sometimes. Because some people don't know. They talk a big game, but I'm like, do you really know why you're hating that person, or why you don't want to date a white girl, or you don't want to date somebody who's from Puerto Rico or Dominican Republic?
It's not like that. It's just a preference.
Right. Okay, then you good. Good answer. That's all I wanted to hear. Good. Some people don't say that. They'll just say, oh, because my mom said I couldn't. I'm like, what? Or because my religion. I'm like, no, your religion didn't tell you couldn't do that. Somebody in the church probably told you couldn't do that, but there's nobody's religion who actually came in their dream or sleep and actually said you can't date people. It's not even in a book. Oh, the Holy Quran does not say you can't date other. No, it doesn't. If you're Israeli, it doesn't say you can't, celebrate another person or be. But those people who are in power teach people that you can't do this and that, and people believe them. Just like our president today, how many lies does he say a day? Thousands.
Too many.
And people believe him. Like he's God or something. Like what the fuck?
He's too ugly to do all that.
He's just a man, an ignorant man. But people believe him.
He's weird. He's like about his daughter.
Yeah. Yeah. His whole family's messed up.
So bad for his son though.
Yeah, Barron, I think he could be a good kid if he stays away from what the older Trumps are.
Yeah.
I think he has a future.
I'm not sure. I feel like he's not, all lives matter. I hope he's not.
I hope, yeah, I agree. I think he's different. I'm hoping.
Yeah, it's not like his parents took away all his well, I don't think he ever had social media. And he always has to be with them.
Speaking of social media, your mom doesn't let you get on Instagram?
Oh, I have it though.
Okay, yeah, don't, right.
I don't post anything.
Okay.
Or add on stories.
Okay, yeah, because we were talking about that earlier. I'm like, wait a minute, you don't let... But anyway, I understand the need for it, like the security, but I'm like, no, Tasha's a teenager. Like, she damn near practically an adult one of these. I mean, come on, she's close to 18. To let her do what she has to do. And it's something
What'd she say?
She was like, no, I'm just scared of other guys. And there are a lot of, yes, there's some, I mean, yeah, every day you're going to get hollered at. There's always going to be somebody that's going to say something stupid.
I remember, so, no one knows this. I told my sister, because I have a big mouth, and my uncle, he's the one